Hello, so ito yata yung para sa basta yung sa calculus. So sa number dito sa exercises na to, most na gagamitin natin is the distance formula, yung x sub 1 minus x sub 2, ba't naglalag? Plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2. Also, gagamitin din si midpoint, which is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So starting with the first number, number 1, determine the standard equation of the circle given center of 2 raised of 2 and 3 and passing through 0.5. So center mo is 2 and 3, tapos passing through 0, 5. If sinabi ng question na passing through, yung gagawin mo is drawing ka ng circle, may center na, which is 2 is to 3, and yung passing through na coordinate natin, which is 0, 5, nandun sa dulo. So like that. Usually ganyan kapag sinabing passing through. Now, para makuha natin yung radius, kasi kailangan natin i-complete yung equation, which is this. Para makuha si radius, kailangan natin gamitin itong distance formula, which is again square root of x sub 1 minus x sub 2 plus y sub 1 minus y sub 2. So, yung magiging x sub 1 natin is ito, si 2, y sub 1 is equal to 3, x sub 2, 0, y sub 2, 5. Distance formula, 2 minus 0 squared plus, saan ba? 3 minus 5 squared. So, 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus negative 2. Negative 2 raised to 2 is 4 ulit. And square root na lang. So, makukuha natin square root of 8, which is equal to 2 square root of 2. So, ito na yung radius natin. And, ayun, tapos na si number 1. Nakuha na natin si R. So, i-plug in na lang dito. Kaya, x minus h. Yung h natin is 2. So, ganyan. Plus y minus k, which is 3. Square root of 2. And finally, yung r natin, 2 square root of 2 raised to 2 is equal to 8. So, ito na yung final sagot sa number 1. Okay, next naman is si endpoints of a diameter. If endpoints of a diameter naman yung tinutukoy, mangyayari dyan is full circle and diameter siya. So, ganito siya i-visualize, which is mangyayari dyan ay negative 2 raised to negative 2 and 3. Tapos, 6 and negative 4. Una natin gagawin is midpoint formula. So, negative 2 plus 6 over 2 para sa x and 3 minus 4 over 2 para sa y. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 3 minus 4 is 1. So, negative 1 half. Ito na yung magiging center ng circle. So, lagay lang natin sa circle na to 2 negative 1 half. And since ganito na yung gagawin natin, pwede na natin gamitin si distance formula. So, distance formula with that, x sub 1 natin ay si negative 2, y sub 1 ay 3, x sub 2 is equal to 2, and y sub 2 is equal to negative 1 half. Okay, distance formula. Parang kanina lang. So, ito sa distance formula, kailangan lang tawag dito, sundan at mag-substitute. So, kung isa-substitute natin dyan, mangyayari ay square root of negative 2 minus 2 squared plus 3 plus 1 half squared. So, i-calculate. Negative 2 minus negative 2 is 4. 4 raised to 2 is 16. Plus, going improper fraction, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 2. Now, ito na yung masakit sa ulo konti. So, hindi pa pala. So, yun. 3 times 6 is equal to, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7 over 2. Pero since squared pa siya, magiging 49 over 4. 4 times 16 is equal to 64. 64 plus 49 is equal to 113. So, final answer for the distance formula is square root of 113 over square root of 4. Pero, pwede pa natin i-simplify because pwede mong i-square root si 4. Kaya, pinaka-final answer dyan ay square root of 1 over 13 over 2. Now, kailangan mo ito ilagay sa standard equation ulit. So, standard equation natin is, ulitin ko lang, x squared, x minus h raised to 2 plus y minus k raised to 2 is equal to square root of r. Ay, hindi. R raised to 2. Yung d natin, yun na yung r natin. So, automatic makukuha natin ay kung ipapag-times sa sarili, mawawala yung radical. So, 1 over 13 ay 113 tapos over 4 and x minus ito yung h and k. So, 2 raised to 2 plus y minus k, which is negative 1/2 and magiging positive 1/2 raised to 2. So, yeah, ito yung final answer for letter B. And ipa-next ko na si number 2. Actually, madali lang si number 2, letter A and B. Medyo basic lang. So, starting off, find the center and radius of the circle. While magmumukhang medyo complicated because of the fraction, medyo madali lang siya, to be honest. Kailangan mo lang mag-cancel out, cancel out. So, para ma-cancel out yung fraction na yan, kailangan nating i-multiply both sides by 9 over 25. And dito din 9 over 25. So, i-cancel out mo na lang. Mangyayari na lang dyan, i-cancel out mo. Like this. So, magiging x plus 5 na lang siya. And, dito din, magiging y plus 4 raised to 2 is equal to 9 over 25. With that, makukuha na natin yung center ng circle. So, center ng circle is HK. Ibabaliktad yung signs. Center, negative 5. And dito naman, negative 4. And for the radius, kailangan lang natin square root to, square root to. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. Square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, that comes out to 3 over 5 and 3 over 5 yung final answer sa and ito yung final answer dito sa letter A of number 2. So, para matry nyo naman dapat gawin nyo muna yung letter B, then panoorin nyo kung ano yung tamang sagot para matutunan nyo ay para malaman nyo kung tama nga ba or mali yung sagot nyo. And basically, dito sa number Sa letter B, medyo the same siya, but kailangan mong mag-cancel out na rin ng ibang bagay. So, let's do this. 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 2y squared is equal to 1. And over 3 siya. Over 3 to. Gawin ulit yung kanina. Multiply both sides by 3. So, 3 dito. And 3 dito. So, cancel out, cancel out, cancel out. Matitira 2x minus 1 squared plus 2y squared is equal to 3. And next naman, kailangan natin i-cancel out itong dalawang 2 na to. For that to happen, we have to divide both sides by 2. So, maglagay ng 2 sa baba, 2 sa baba, and 2 sa baba. Cancel out, cancel out, cancel out, and cancel out. Matitira dito ay x minus 1 squared plus y raised to 2 is equal to 3 over 2. So, as usual, HK, kailangan baliktad yung signs. So, center of the circle is negative 1, magiging positive 1. And because walang kasama si y, magiging 0. Radius naman, you need to square root this. Pero, bawal magkaroon ng radicand sa baba. So, we have to radicalize it. Radicalizing means just taking off this 1. Kailangan mawala ito. Dapat 2 lang siya, mag-isa. Para magawa yon, kailangan natin i-multiply both sides by square root of 2 and square root of 2. Bakit square root of 2 and over square root of 2? Because if ginawa mo to, magiging parang times 1 lang siya. Bawal na may idagdag tayo dyan. Kaya ito yung best option, I think. So, multiplying square root of 3 times square root of 2 is equal to square root of 6. And square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 2. So, final answer natin ay r square root of 6 over square root of 2. And, yeah, ito yung sagot sa 2B. And let's finally do letter number 3. Siguro maglalagay na lang ako ng link para yung parang easy to explain ngayon na mga basic equations. Halimbawa yung radicalize. Siguro maglalagay na ako ng link mamaya. Okay. Number 3. Find the equation of the circle with center negative 2 to 3 and tangent to the y-axis. So, tangent means basically dumidikit siya sa y-axis. Like that. So, kapag Cartesian coordinate plane, parang ganito yung makikita mo. Nakadikit siya sa y-axis, yun yung dulo. So, mangyayari dyan ay yung magiging other diameter natin is nandito yung isang point, if I'm not mistaken. Ganito. And we would do 0, 3. Because same pa rin sila ng y-axis, pero yung nag-iba lang is yung um, x coordinate. Check ko nga lang. Okay. Next naman is do the distance formula ulit. So, -2 -2 minus 0 and ba't lang okay? -2 minus 0 and plus 3 minus 3, which is 0. So, d is equal to square root of, ano ba to? -2 raised to 2 is 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, so 4, and basically, radius natin ay magiging 2. And, yeah, that's that. Yun lang yung medyo nakakalito, yung si tangent to the y-axis. So, if tangent kasi, it means touching the line. So, like that. And usually, ganito yung makukuha mong coordinates. So, doing that, we get the equation of x plus 2 plus y minus 3. Syempre may squared. And 2 raised to 2 will be 4. And yeah, that's that. So, yeah, I'm done.